This is great.
All right, let's go.
Here's the idea. You ready? I'm sure you're familiar with the New Year's Eve movie, Mother's Day movie, misconnections, famous people.
It's Love Actually.
Everyone falls. No. Love Actually is a completely different type of movie than Mother's Day or Valentine's Day or New Year's Eve.
Yeah, right.
Those movies, misconnection. I think I love this person. I really love this person. Everyone's happy at the end. Single mom gets a kid. Military soldier finds a kid. You know what I mean? Like gave up his plane seat for the kid. That kind of stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's a movie like that, except it's set in Hawaii. Right?
Okay.
Tropical beach, misconnections.
It's called Hawaii Day.
Shut up. It's not called Hawaii Day. I'm setting the stage because this movie is going to be in a similar trope. Full of famous people. They're all going to have like 3 days of shooting because that's what the movie is. It's a bunch of famous people shooting for 3 days. And if you were to cut apart just the Julia Roberts part of Mother's Day, it's like literally 95 seconds. You know what I mean? But it's spread out through the entire movie. Right. You know, none of these people have any real commitment except for like Ashton Kutcher and like George Lopez. Because what's George Lopez doing? Not much. So it's like this, but it's in Hawaii. Right?
Yeah.
And it's the Enchanted Tiki Room movie.
Oh.
And so they're on the island. Mm-hmm. And it's the birds that are making all the love happen. And so they're on the island. They're on the island. And you hear like the birds chirping. Uh-huh. And then you go into bird mode. You like shift. There's some kind of cinematography that they do that shifts you into bird world. And then you hear them singing. You move into it goes tweet 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 like they did in that movie where Tom Cruise spoke German with an English accent. You know what I'm talking about? That Valkyrie movie where he's like starts off he's like Achtung, the Tenenbaum, and then next thing you know he's speaking English.
That's what they did with Hunt for Red October too.
They did that on Hunt for Red October, right? So we do that. You hear tweet 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 tiki room, right? And it's the birds doing. They're like each story has a macaw with a weird accent whose purpose is to make love happen. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And so there's all these great numbers, and it's funny because the birds are doing all kinds of weird to make all kinds of shit happen. You know what I mean? And then in the end, it's like a big luau where all the misconnections finally connect and everyone's in love and they're all dancing in the tiki, and then it pulls out and that's when you drop Tiki Room, and then it's like all the birds are all chirping, everyone's partying, and then it goes a tiki room in the tiki, you know. But then like there's a volcano that erupts partway through the movie because the gods are angered, and there's a thunderstorm scene. You know what I mean? No. And then the tiger lilies and like the plants come in and they're like, oh, 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 dun, dun, dun. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, wait.
This is primo idea.
No, Dan, listen.
What?
Are the birds like doing fun things like trying to intercept people and like
the birds are the driving plot point.
Like, are they
the muses?
Are they like tripping people so they like run into somebody, or are they like enchanting them? Because that's not going to fly in 2018.
This recording was so clean until he made it so vulgar. This was a PG-13 recording.
What was it for?
Nathaniel is like the documentarian of my bull.
Let's go in the quote.
Perfect way to end it.
Yeah. And scene.
Thanks, folks, for watching Disney Dan. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. All the magic is just a few clicks away. Plus, find Dan on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And say hello. Oh, see you real soon.